I can't be what you need. No comfort, no release. Can't you see there's nothing here for me? I'm alone, never home. No respect, nothing left. Can't you see? This is all that we know. Fear just takes over control. Letting go, never show your true feeling. So much pain every night. I just need my demise. Try my best, hope for it, but it won't show. This whole world takes its toll. Never trust a single soul. Show your heart and they'll rip it from your chest. I don't know where to go. If you say the words, I'll crawl to your feet. Without you, I'm incomplete. So many times that I've tried so hard to swallow all my pride. Find myself just to find that I don't care. I can't do this anymore. I'm giving up. My head is sore, breaking down, slowly losing all I've known. Lay awake all through the night. Anxiety just plagues my mind. Can't feel my heart coming through my fucking chest. After everything I've learned, I've realized we're all alone. Now I see you're the thing I needed.